Congratulations on purchasing a Herd. This AeroPLUS bumper is equipped with our industry-leading slam latch. Your slam latch will require periodic adjustment to ensure optimum performance. To test if your bumper needs adjustment, simply shake your bumper. If rattling occurs, an adjustment is needed. Access the mechanism through the front airflow while the bumper is either open or closed, whichever is easiest. The slam latch adjustment must be carried out on both driver and passenger sides. Loosen the 1/2-inch hex bolts on both driver and passenger side, securing the latch ramp in place. Loosen both bolts to the point where the washers are snug. Lower the rear 3/8 adjustment bolt so it moves away from the ramp plate. Raise the front 3/8 adjustment bolt. This will close the gap between the ramp plate and the claw. Check tightness by shaking the bumper. If rattling occurs, raise the front adjustment bolt. If you cannot open or close the handle, you may have over-tightened the adjustment. To fix this, lower the front and raise the back adjustment bolts. Tighten the top and bottom bolts to 110 foot-pounds. Your adjustment is complete.